Hi guys, Matikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I want us to talk about Judge Ratamukwate. Guys, that man, guys, I'm telling you, he has no shame. He has absolutely no shame, Judge Ratamukwate, because tell me why. Tell me why was Judge Ratamukwate behaving the way he did yesterday? The entire day he was angry. The sad part for him, which I enjoyed by the way, is that he could not even be angry at Ukumalo, ne? But he was angry at him. Guys, Ujudge Ratamukwate is always angry at police officers who come here in court to say the Gininda's team was wrong. Judge Rata Mukwatleng is always angry at police. If you want to piss off Judge Rata, touch the cold case unit. Touch Gininda and his tactics. Touch Gininda and his ways of doing things that are not right. When Gininda is being called out by procedurally by people that also work with Gininda, uskubone sanuba uJudge Rata angaku ukufuna uyiba ingonyama phayana efuna, because guys, the way he was so angry, his facials, everything nje, he was uJudge Rata stopped yesterday being a judge. He literally stopped being a judge yesterday. He was not even a judge yesterday. He was so passionate. Yesterday, he took off the robe, Sana, the red robe. He took it off and wore the black one for Baloyi. That is what he did. No one is going to tell me anything. Ujudge Ratamukwate Izolo took off his robe. Oh, he took off the bloody robe. He took off the red one, wore the black robe, Gabaloi, and he was there at Chachalazeni, Sana. Oh, ebese Chachalazeni. Judge Ratamukwate bese Chachalazeni inguye ne-defense lawyers ebe phansi phezulu sana e-defender i-state case. He was out here defending the state case. Oh, the shock that I had. My goodness. Uncle Rata wonke. Oh. Hayi shem undothusile andifuna ungatsho. Oh, awundothusile. Hayi ndiye ndashocked shem. Ndiye ndashocked indlela aqhube ngayo uJudge Ratamukwate, because wow. What a wow, sana lam. Oh, what a wow. He was angry. He was defending. He was inside phakathi arena. He was the one that was doing objections. Now the objections that I remember from Usibanda is only 3. The other times it was Judge Rata who was inside phakathi doing the objections on behalf of the state without the state asking him. They were sitting there like chilled because when they were embarrassed, Abo Baloyi. UJudge Rata ebechile Chachalazeni ethethelela. Hey, azange ndayibona into enjena. I'm going to look for the clips, guys, so that you can see. It was him against defense. The guys, the defense lawyers were laughing at him. Even Lieutenant Kumalo was laughing at him because mhlola wento simangandini sekati. Zange ndayibona into enjeyana mna. Andizange ndayibona, ndiyaxelela ngoJudge Ratamukwate. I pray uba ndizifumane ezi clips, guys, because wow, what a controversy, son. Judge Ratamukwate does not beat the allegations. Few days ago, was it last week? Yeah, when they were busy talking about the subpoena, when they were talking about the subpoena of General Kumalo, the Kumalo that is on the stand now. Hey, there was a time he said, there was a moment where he said, hey, so that people, nah, I'm gonna sign it, no problem, Miss Apinale. And then Umalo was like, please invoke section 186. Hey, give me an authority. Okay, fine. Before people say nah, Lo Utengi, hey, you do not beat those bloody allegations when Your behavior, Judge Ratamu does not beat them allegations. Why are you inside the arena, not as a judge, but as a prosecutor? At some point, he became a senior witness in that courtroom. Yesterday, it was bad. He became a senior witness. At some point, he was a senior prosecutor. At some sika hurricane in that courtroom. No, say the allegations of therefore you don't beat them. Therefore, alleged that Ujadrata was bought 35 million to make sure these guys go down for this case. Now, if behavior Ujadrata does not beat those allegations at all, if they are still allegations, they remain allegations. But the way he behaves, he knows. Oh, he knows. Oh, he knows what he's doing, guys. And every time I hear someone saying, "Oh, we are that boom," yay! I go mad. Oh, I go crazy because the only time he behaves in that way is when the defense and the accused are concerned. When Baloyi and Sibanda are there, oh, he is kind. If you want to see how kind he is and how young at heart he is, you will see when it's Baloyi who's on the stand. When the podium, when the mic and the pod, yay! When it's Baloyi who's there on the podium, oh, Sanalam, you don't even tell that he is 80 years old. Yabona izolo bamshunqa, bamshunka kamnandi kanjani, bamchuba that yes. That yes. Bamchuba and that of course he deserves it. How dare he? Hi bolo tata. Amahloni guys. No, he's embarrassing his family. Left, right, and center, son. Oh, he is embarrassing them. I do not want to even say anything else. He embarrasses his family daily. He lives for that in that courtroom. Oh, he lives for it. He enjoys embarrassing them. Every day he embarrasses them. What are your thoughts when it comes to him? Let's talk about Ujadrata quick comment section because I want to hear from you. Am I exaggerating? He went and became a lawyer for the state. He became the prosecutor. He became the witness. He was the chief of everything. He was a chief witness, chief prosecutor, chief. Hey! Hi, son. And then he's gonna want to talk about decorum. Decorum from where? Because he is not a leader. He is not managing that court in a manner that shows that he has decorum. He lacks all of it. You? Amahloni. Amahloni kimi, Sanalam. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Let's talk with comment section because I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. Bye-bye.